Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here. And today, in our Mexican beach home here in Yucatan, Mexico, we're having our tank emptied. It actually started overfilling yesterday when the tree trimmers were here, which they did an excellent job, really, of the tree trimming and some other ones as well. And so we ordered up the septic guy to come over since it was starting to overflow, just disgusting. And we've only had this place for a few months, and so it was probably already full. And so big truck here, and they empty it out, and it takes about 2 hours, and it costs about 250 US dollars, a little over 5,000 Mexican pesos. So that's something that every day you have to do here. Apparently, we only have to do this probably every 5 years or so, but we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching. Got a comment or question about this, let me know. Like the video, and hey, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you're interested in more information about being an expat or what it's like to be an expat, go over to the newsletter, which you can get. It's a weekly newsletter over at expatrebel.com. See you guys next time. Bye.